Welcome back, savages, to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace a very noisy fan on one of these USB miners. So this particular one is a TTBit Ltc USB miner, and it's a bit like the Futurebit Moonlander 2. So after a couple of weeks of use they get very noisy, as you can hear from this one. So what we're going to do in this video is I've managed to source a replacement fan, not the same type but a slightly different one. And I'm going to go ahead and replace it, and we'll see how quiet that is compared to this one. So the one I'm going to replace it with, I don't know if you can see on the camera there, it's got hydraulic bearings and it's got a brushless fan, DC 5 volts. So we're going to replace it with this one and see how we go. So we're back, the moment of truth. So we've got the new fan screwed in, got it connected up, it's using the same connector. We're going to go ahead and plug it into the USB. You can see it's running, it's got the green LED on there. The fan's definitely spinning. And that is pretty much near silent. So there you go, savages. If you want a nice easy life, get rid of the stock fan that comes with these LTC USB miners and the Moonlander2 miners. Get shot of that, get a nice quiet replacement like this one, and enjoy a nice peaceful life. Anyway, I'll leave a link in the description to this particular fan. It's got the right kind of size, so it fits straight on the heatsink. The connector on the other end is perfect, so it goes straight into there without any bother. You literally replace it, you're done in 2 minutes, and you're good to go. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you savages on the next one.